The new GR86 Coupe from Gazoo Racing embodies the essence of their motorsports expertise, offering a responsive, agile, and engaging driving experience. Its design is crafted to prioritize performance, delivering a unique and thrilling ride for enthusiasts. Racing-inspired, motorsports isn't just our inspiration, but a proud part of our DNA. The GR86 is a high-performance sports car that features improved accelerator response, precise shift and clutch mechanisms, and a notably lightweight design. With its upgraded to 0.4-litre engine, this model delivers increased power compared to its previous version, promising an exhilarating driving experience for enthusiasts. The combination of a lower centre of gravity and increased brake sensitivity results in a safer and more responsive driving experience. A lower centre of gravity enhances stability and reduces the risk of rollovers, while heightened brake sensitivity allows for quicker and more precise stopping, enhancing overall control and safety on the road. Experience the exhilarating acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds with the impressive D4S fuel injection system, which not only boosts power, but also intensifies the overall engine sensation. This combination of speed and technology creates an unforgettable driving experience. Safety, vehicle stability control VSC, asterisk traction control track, anti-lock brake system and ABS, electronic brake force distribution, EBD and brake assist BA asterisk. 7 airbags asterisk includes driver and front passenger advanced airbag system, driver and front passenger outboard seat mounted side airbags, front and rear side curtain airbags, and driver knee airbag. Brakes, Brembo asterisk to piston rear disc brakes, 12.4 in, 315mm, solid rotors rear, 2-piston steel floating caliper front disc brakes, 11.6 in, 294mm, ventilated rotors front.